Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential life hacks and government services just for you. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to check your PMJAY card balance for 2025. If you're one of the millions benefiting from the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJAY, this scheme offers up to 5 lakh rupees in health coverage annually. Pretty amazing, right? But let's get straight to the point. Knowing your balance is key to accessing your entitlements smoothly. First things first, make sure you have your PMJAY card handy, along with your registered mobile number and Aadhaar details. This will make the process a breeze. Step 1. Open your web browser and head to the official PMJAY website at pmjay.gov.in. It's crucial to use the authentic site to avoid any scams. Always double-check the URL. Once you're on the site, Step 2. Look for the beneficiary portal, or login section, usually found on the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. You'll need to enter your login credentials. This might include your Aadhaar number, mobile number, or a registered ID. Don't worry if it's your first time. There should be an option to register or reset your password if needed. After logging in, Step 4. Navigate to the dashboard, or account summary, page. Here, you'll find your PMJAY card balance displayed clearly, showing how much coverage you have left for the year. For 2025, the government has updated the portal with better user interfaces, so it should be even easier to read. If you're not tech-savvy, don't fret. There's an alternative. Step 5. You can check your balance via the PMJAY mobile app. Download it from the Google Play Store or App Store, log in with the same details, and voila! Your balance is right there. Or, for a quick fix, Step 6. Dial the PMJAY helpline at 14555 and follow the IVR prompts to inquire about your balance. Remember, keeping track of your balance ensures you can use your benefits without hitches, especially for hospital visits or treatments. If you run into any issues, reach out to your local health department for assistance. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy guides. Stay healthy and see you next time.